Yeah. As you can see inside, they can cook, and also they have their water here. And look at it's a bamboo house. So their floor is bamboo, and this one, it's called the coconut, for coconut leaves. And yeah, that's bamboo. And right there, they have they can cook. They have plates right there, water. Yeah. They have also mosquito net right there.
Oh, he has mosquito net?
Yeah.
Yeah, wonder why.
So if they make charcoal, it's right here.
Right there.
Yeah. That's but they do the wood charcoal and also the coconut head. What's the name of that?
Shell.
Oh yeah. And he has a charcoal right now here.
Boring.
Ganda sa mo balay di
Pwede no, kasuba.
Lakat-lakat sa suba.
Ma.
Kaya kitaon ko niya na suba. Ba ilang maranasan niya makita.
Namon balay-balay daw po.
Ha?
Kapahilo pa naman ina.
Simintado man? Ay
Tapahan.
You see anything, Sawa? Can you see?
What do you want me to say?
What do you want to say about it?
I don't know.
You don't
I
know?
haven't been here yet.
Now you're here.
And this is all yours? Around?
That's mom.
Yeah.
So now they're making a copra. So that's coconut. Yan. This is how they what do you call that, Asawa? To take the coconut to make the copra. This is the method. Yeah. It's look easy but not easy if you don't know to do it. So don't try if you don't know to do it.
Mura na dito niyan?
Mara na.
Kaya naman nagkakupra ka man yan?
Mara. Dati, dili ako nagkakupra. Sugad lang hindi ako nagkupra.
And this is their if they put the
Dryer yan.
their dryer, so they
So the heat is underneath, the fire is underneath the bus?
yeah.
And then you put the coconut up top and you dry it out with the heat.
Yeah. Sawa.
Ayaw.
I follow Mom. She's the wise one when it comes to this. She is smart. She knows.
Ada pa ito ng pigir eh. Nakasiminto pa. Coconut here. Hold on. They don't. She said if they, this one, the soil erosion slide.
Yeah, maybe that one is a risky one. The other's probably okay because they're small, but that one has a lot of soil around it.
Yeah.
Kita bayaan suba ako. Di ba sa panahon mababa pa lang yan friend.
Bukan ilog mo sana?
Yeah, hindi Panahon ginalakbang-lakbang lang ano.
Can you make
Dan suba? Mas may iko pa dito. Ay pani ba
You
yan?
want the gloves?
Na ginakargoan niyo?
Doon na ayaw maglumpat.
But if you go down, you won't be able to. Why is the battery dead?
It's not dead.
Oh no, wait! You're almost out of time. You should take this with you so you can show how steep it is. You have your phone? No.
No. And then give me. Oh, this is how steep here. Yeah, let's go down right here. It's my brother. Bah. No, kay di mo di ginahimuan hagdanan.
Hindi ko nga nakakaibasi magkuhan sing daray-ray. Kaya ibadarong pati hindi
It's like it's nice to go down, Asawa. It's nice to jump.
Well, you jump. How you get back up? You can't swim either.
Wow, look at that.
Forest.
Very nice, Asawa. Hain kami nagpalabog.
Ay, di na palabugan. Ato kami dito. Kaya may nagakarigo man. Di ginahin na palabugan.
Di din nag-ano ka mo? Ay, pag may sawa siguro sa tubig.
Maray.
Dut kan maong pa ini di?
Adto.
Yung mga kawayan.
Hindi di. Amoy na lindiro sa taas ng kawayan.
Sawa! Up! You don't know asawa? This is Ma'am Bamboo. Hoy!
Not mine.
Remember, Sawa, you're heavy.
No.
No shit. You will go in here. Up!
Yeah, this tree, the soil around it, that's the problem. It's way down there and this holds everything up.
Ha?
So if they can cut like that in the...
Yeah, but eventually, I mean, maybe it'll eventually rot. I mean, maybe 20 years, 10 years.
Yeah.
I mean,
Hindi man na makuan basta may kawayan lang.
I don't think it moves that quick, the water.
Abaw na yan, may...
10, 20, 30 feet.
Wow! So cold!
Yeah. So the water that you get, does it come from here?
Ay!
Asawa?
Huh?
So the water that they normally get, does it come from here?
Yeah, come from there. Very cold. It's so nice.
Well, that's because there's no sun.
Huh? Very nice, asawa. Kamang mariguma. Ha? Bagasit to jutay pa man ini di.
Hindi ko tayo pa gani.
Tama no?
Mm.
Hoy!
May awid.
Where you going?
Right here?
Hold the trees. You see?
Yeah, I see now.
Now you see the river here. Because before you wanted to see the river.
Yeah, because I was wondering about a ramjet.
Yeah. Because that will be hard. So, plano kasi niya kung mahirap na din tubig, ilan mabutang San Jose tapos pump pataas.
Hindi ada madang grepo. Didian makusog kung magpa-install na ada.
But the pump uses no electricity. Water pressure from this will pump the water uphill.
Ang tubig niya. Aram niya ina eh.
They call it a ramjet.
Pero may ada dan tubo, may tubo.
It builds its own pressure by the water flow.
I think they have a gold here. Because the ano, it's just like the yellow. Na baga nagayulo-yulo baga yan, bagang kalawang.
Well, maybe you should get a piece of it. Looks yellow gold.
Gold bagay na siya. May gold.
Ano siguro?
Ina nagadulaw-dulaw. Na bagang kalawang ang baho. Ano ina. Bagan may metal. Kaya mga gold baga nagakalawang na.
But where's the mosquito?
Ha?
I don't see no mosquito.
The mosquito?
Inang kuan gid ng mga pino na nagapangagat na.
I see leeches.
No leeches here.
Yeah, okay.
This is flowing. Hadlukan nga ako na kay base may sao.
Ay, peskat mo dami sa nami, sa
Now you will
nagapatulog.
smell like the carabao.
I will go this way. Ato na ako sa taas diyak maagi.
Ayaw da didi na ho. Diri ka agi ho.
Ha? That's why we know asawa. Because we jumped before when we was a kid.
Hawid ka daw na.
I jumped before here. Hey, thank you. Go asawa.
Go where?
Tay tayo dyan magsakatay.
Hindi kaya.
Cinematic. Two. Size 2. Dapat magano ka din, mag-release ka din, video-video ka, pa-jumpong mo si Ray. Alam mo kaya di mahimo nag-video.
Right, don't come down here.
Didi? Magamo nga ni mahimo ko sa.
Tapos ko na, ma-video ka, makuha kasag
Timuan mo gali akong channel yan sa video lang. Tapos ipakuan mo sa akon ng password, ikaw lang magkuan. Ako ma-video pero timuan mo akong channel. Tapos isabi mo lang sa akon ng password para ma-open ko di.
YouTube
Tapos,
or Facebook?
Facebook, pwede man.
Sige.
Tapos ipasa mo lang sa akon ng password tapos ikaw nang bahala magkuan dito. Ikaw mo lang upload pero ang video sa akin isisend ko lang sa inyo.
Sila kunyari mangwakan urang. Hold the sawa.
Hindi madali nga lang lipot sakat.
Bagandi.
Awid.
Ito ngar. Ay, thank you. Nairugsa ni tapos
Imo ang kumain din nagdaan. Kanina ko lang ni ginhawanan.
para sa ni kung paano ka magsaka. Okay. Mga foreigners na interesado kaya sila sa mga Roblox.
Yeah, if I have good boots, I go up and down easy.
Yeah, you have a good one.
Yeah, these are good, but the other ones are better. They're tight on my feet like I'm barefoot.
Tapos may patawa. Kailangan mag-send ka sa mga 2 minutes lang para hindi mag-loading ka.
Bare, you smell it, Slebs. This is a medicine.
That's
No?
for cough.
Smell,
Lagundi.
maybe just a little light smell.
That's Lagundi asawa.
Yeah.
They made that as
Sili.
liquid
Sili labuyo.
and many kids. That's for kids. Lagundi. It's Lagundi mang, 'di ba?
No, buyo.
Abuyo. And this one is
Ano
how,
hindi nakaon?
so look at this one. This is expensive in the US.
Mahalin na dito.
Mm-mm.
What?
Siguro 2,000.
Yeah.
This one.
Hindi na ba inabaligyan na ito?
Ini kay ano ba kay ini tawag tropical plants.
Yeah, all tropical plants are very expensive.
You see that asawa $70 unlike mga 4,000.
Yeah.
Badyang?
Yeah.
Hawaii to the U.S.
Yeah, they need a tax
because
for
of
everything.
laws. Not the tax. It's,
The
No, man, di ka
travel.
mamagdara sina dito.
Bawal man.
Kuhaan ka mo silang permit.
May mga iduin asin na nagasimot sa ano. Kasadi-sadi.
Pero na naman sa Saudi, okay man lang.
Ambot sa inda kay US man ina, di man Saudi.
Stella, is there any ants on my stomach? Something bit me on the stomach. I think ants. They got on my shirt.
Sini.
Nagapangagat pa tayo ng
Oh, I got bit twice.
Yeah. It's gone now.
Yeah,
Nothing.
it's just ant.
The red ants.
I don't know.
The big one.
No, he was small, but I felt the bite.
Ato ba itong earphone sa babuyan?
Nani, nang kawara mo ginanong sa bubuyan.
Ay, mabalay ka pa dito. Makato ka mo dito? Babuyan niya?
Oo. Mga suroy-suroy.
The papaya right there, asawa.
Yan. Kapag kapayas yan.
Langka, ang butanon.
Ay, langka gali.
Yan. Langka.
How you fly your drone here?
Kita ang mga hinawaan ng katong ilang tabas.
Mayo lugog kay kita inyo ng tao. Mayo na aga po.
Sikuan. Biton.
Busy. So, this is all bamboo.
Yeah.
She have a lot of bamboo trees. That's why sometimes it's cooler here. Because of the bamboo. So this is the hole for charcoal. If they make charcoal here. Yeah, it's a round. Look at that, very round. So nice. Yeah, the red.
Yeah, they fit me here now.
Ako ng kape ko dito yan, no?
Ay, nilaki alaga ng baboy.
Kay Prisco. Ang kawara kayo mag-alagang baboy.
Mag-alaga din baboy, mabalay ka kititi.
Tapos ini pulungan niyo. Oh, didi pwede 4 na baboy, 5. Kay magana sa baboy ng dirikit sila para di sila malikot. So
What
this
was
is
an out CR?
no, this is the
Piggery?
piggery. Small piggery before. We use here and we have a faucet here before.
Yeah.
May line pa siguro ni dino wara na.
Amri din maganda magpalain sa tubig, kada lang dan suhod. Kusog-kusog din tubig.
Yeah, the water is very strong.
Pambili, kusog-kusog ang tubig.
Yeah, I think a ramjet might work.
Huh?
I don't know. I will have to check on a ramjet because if it works, it just needs to be maintenance like every 6 months But as long as there is water always moving through, it
Ada lang
can
dan
pump.
musuhon tubig.
They have the hose here if you wanna connect. It's
Yeah.
easy, very strong water here.
Oh, why don't you connect?
But it's far from there in the house.
Dati grabing gusto ng tubig.
Well, what makes you think of? Well, actually, I think you can hook a ramjet up to the hose, and then
Yeah.
the pressure will push it up from the ramjet
Yeah.
because the water goes in and it builds up pressure, and then it pushes
May
it out.
pressure tank.
Oh,
No,
Aw na to, inan
pressure lang.
pressure.
no, it's a ram. It's. I will show them a video of a ramjet.
Yeah.
They use it in South America and all the other.
Yeah.
They even use it in
Inan
the
may
U.S.
air siya na pressure.
because it's free. No
Pressurized ang tasa.
Yeah, no electricity, no solar, nothing. They just work on its own.
Oh.
By
Tubig
pressure.
siya. May pressure.
Oh,
So
dili
the
na.
water goes into a chamber, it goes up a tube, and it gets really tight, all that pressure in there, and then it pushes it back out uphill.
Yung baga nag-erog sila.
And it goes, makes
Yeah.
a ticking sound.
Yeah.
Ang tawag sa jack pump.
Wala na, hindi ka na magamit daw sa electric, sa
No
kuryente
electric,
kag sa
nothing.
pump.
You just need water
Tubig
pressure.
lang.
You need like a stream, or maybe that would work, either one.
So the water can go up.
Well, it sends it up certain height. It'll send it up, I have to see, but I want to say maybe 10 meters, 20 meters uphill.
Yeah. But
Maybe
this one is
farther.
very far.
It all depends, it doesn't matter. It just depends on how much pressure on the bottom.
Oh.
So like the river, if there's a lot of pressure there,
Yeah.
it can send it, even if it sends it up over here, it's still, Ryan would have water.
Over there
Yeah.
or over here?
Well, I don't know. I have to sit there and see how far, what it says.
Mm.
But you could make a lake over here. You could make a rice farm over here.
Ah,
You
yeah.
could pump the water into it.
Oh, wow. So pwede ka maghimon kunyari farm, humayan. Tapos pakadtuan tubig.
Yeah.
Amo na maganda himon humayan no.
Mm.
Humayan na daw. Dati.
Ngani. Nang kay ban mirap ng bunga. Nagaano ka da, Mang?
Ano yan mga kape.
Kaya naman may mga tanom siya da na kape.
Nakarubo.
Ah. Ini ha, amo pa ini kan mamang kawayan.
Ano yung bibira ka kape.
Tapos pakadto dito.
Adi kami di karigo.
Maayo.
Adi kami di
Hello, kita ang ko daw. Let's go asawa siya. He has a swimming pool here too. He has his own swimming pool.
Adi lang kami di karigo. Ay nasa inyo na yun adi daw. Sa unahan.
That's bamboo sa amo na.
Andi dito pa sa bukid-bukid. Adi pa sa lindiro daw. Ito dito pa. Dili pa dito.
See from here asawa to there, our land in the road very far.
Yeah. No, it's not so far. 10 minutes.
Ada pa, drag ko ng mga tao yung ino. Ginabakan maghapon na.
Nang po rin yung nabaligya.
Ino, ginabayaran mo ng 25.
Eh, 30.
Ino, 25.
30 sabi niya. Kaya kung kailangan nila, baka lunin na. 30.
Kadami na di, andito, upat kabilog.
Pati ini oh. Eh ano nyo na ina, kaya good makakwarta kang kaysa madunot naman lang ina.
Yes, at ito dito damo. Andito daw damo na kan. Siguro lima ito kapuno dito sugad sa kadrag ko.
Pabaligyan na ka mamang. Ano kayo sabi mo sa mamang baligyan na yun.
Ginakuan nga niya kay basi ko naman gamit pagtabla. Mamoro problema kung warang panggamit.
Sa bagay.
Adi bay-bayo na hinakot ni Loy.
Oo.
Oh, tinambak ng bay-bay. Adi kami diga sarigo.
Be careful asawa.
Of what?
You wanna swim here?
Kami yung kariguan na amon.
Where's the pool?
They swim here and make a laundry.
Huh?
Slow down.
Dakili dili karigo. Ito dito ara ito nakita ang dakili wala gito pudok.
Oh, wow.
Kami itong turo gusto nila makita.
Bagan dati si Tudi Adi kami din nagkakariguan sa una na panahon.
Bay-bay ada mga bay-bay.
Oh, no.
You can ramjet right there.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Ang memory ko iyay, dali-dali lang mapuno.
Oh.
Swimming
pool!
Ayo laki. Kitaon dito.
Bora din sa wayan.
Kaya
mga sawa kay nagatambay-bay na sa tubig.
Dili man amab ka lang.
May mga orang di.
Igo.
Dugay-dugay na ako dito karigo.
Ta.
Siguro sobra na 20 years, 30 years.
Iwan to sa awa din yung karigo.
Oh my God.
Indah keris siya, di kekerigo masih may tubig pa dito. Oh, nakara di hindi di kekerigo.
Ano ba ka masapak ko ba?
Hmm? Sa?
Hindi ini matumba.
Hindi, nahinay lang.
Sawa, take me picture. Hindi ini matumba.
Hindi, na. Kayo lang.
Ha?
We'll walk out on it.
Dapat di ka nakachinilas.
Andale. You said you're a monkey. Balance.
Monkey balance.
Thank you, Lord. Kanay pa yung nagluta.
Ganda tayo Jun na.
Yeah, Filipina. Oh, they have a water here. Woo!
Here, I gave you some B-roll.
So nice. Can you climb? Wow. You can live here, asawa?
Ami sabi na adventure gayot pag adi ka di.
Sawa,
Huh?
you couldn't live here either.
I could.
No, you couldn't.
I could live here, asawa.
No more internet, no electricity, no nothing.
I have the internet.
No internet, nothing.
I lived here before.
Yeah, and you left too.
Because I work in the world explore to see the world. Matapok-tapok na kaya siya.
Hindi na basta-basta kan. Rubasan ina.
Bubasa na yun, no?
Ang taas lang siya mo nagkuan.
Yeah, you should get Ryan a passport one day.
Ha?
Maybe someday you get him a passport,
Passport?
him and Maying, so we can take them to they can go to Singapore.
Yeah.
Yeah, they can go there
Yeah.
and see something different.
Yeah. Kailangan mo daw magpang-passport yan.
Ay, ako.
Makalakat man lang kung sa ibang bansa.
Especially when we move here.
Yeah. Yeah, when we move there, if we're in
You can even
Cebu.
take mom.
Yeah.
Dito
This
maayo.
lady do laundry here. Ha?
At tuto maayo.
Adi ka ba din nagalabayan? Ha?
Oo, dito.
Si Maying adi din nagalaba ko ito naglaba siya? O sa gripo?
Sa gripo ada ito. Pero kami adi mo kami di.
Biro, asawa!
Well, my storage is going to run out.
You don't want me to make the reels? Did you wipe your camera?
Yeah, like 10 times.
Okay. You go there. In the front. This is very long water. May pulse dito yan?
Ah,
Dito sa bukid. Ay,
So
dito
is
na
this like, does this water go all summer too in the hot part? The hot
Maskin
season?
summer daw, may igong tubig din?
mm.
Yes.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, before also.
Ami din dili nagahubas.
They are not like dry. They don't dry here.
Okay, Sawa. Sawa, go underwater. Stay underwater. Go complete. You're supposed to go completely underwater and then surface, but you can't.
Huh?
Nothing.
Wow. Very cold as how. You don't wanna, ano?
I can feel the coldness on my feet.